So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Algorand, provide an update as to what the market has been doing since our last video. You guys can currently see what has occurred so far has been very accurate in what we was talking about right here on October the 22nd, 2025. We were expecting the market in Algo to go lower. It did. And you guys can see where we have this buy pocket. The market actually bounced for that area and began to go up higher in price. So we're going to try to see if that's still the case. If this market in Algorand is going to continue to go lower, or will it break that downtrend line and begin to go higher? So welcome everyone to the channel. As always, if this is your first time ever seeing my videos and content, you're at a great spot, a great location, because we're going to show you how you're able to predict price action without any confusion. And after you see this video and the content and things that I say, if you find that it is very valuable, then go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and also share the content. All right, so now let's break it down. Now we're going to clean up the chart first of all, because we identify these other buy pockets to which we were expecting the market to come through and actually support and hold, but they didn't do it. So these other buy pockets down here around 14, 13, and 12 cents, they're still viable and they're still prevalent. Okay, so let's go ahead and extend this downtrend line, because that is still applicable at this moment in time too. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 2-day chart real quick for Algo. And I think we just go ahead and actually notice a little bit cleaner that the market here in Algo is still confirming buyers in this pocket. Let's look at this on the 3. You guys can see a little bit better on the 3-day chart as well. Here it is on the 4. The 4 looks pretty bullish to me, seeing that on this 4-day price bar, the market in Algo went down, then the next 4 days it went right back up to where it started. And then look at this on the 5 as well. 8 hours and 42 minutes left. I think our conundrum would be, do we think the market's going to break this downtrend line? If so, then we need to get rid of this prediction and anticipate higher prices. If we don't think that's going to happen right now, then we can continue to look for price in Algo to continue to go down. Here it is on the weekly chart. This is very good to see as well for the weekly right here for Algorand. On the week of November 3rd, 2025, the market did go lower, bounced off our buy pocket, and the buyers were able to bring the price right back up towards the high of that bar, which is very bullish. Here it is on the 12-day, 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3, 5, and then for the month so far. All right, so now let's look at this on the hourly charts. Okay, so now we're just trying to see if this sell pocket up here in Algo is really doing a fantastic job of keeping the buyers away. Okay, you can see that the buy pocket here on the 11-hour chart was precisely where the market bounced, began to go higher. We can create another buy pocket here in the market for Algo right here, and then we're going to do another one, and then we're going to add one right here. Okay, so these areas are going to be important as we see price test this sell pocket up here around 19-20 cents. Our idea would be for price to begin to go lower. All right, since we are trading at this buy pocket, at this sell pocket, we're looking for price to go down. We see price bounce off this buy pocket, then yeah, we may see the market break that downtrend line. If we don't see price in Algo hold this first buy pocket and it comes to the second, it still may do it, but it may just take a little bit more time. All right, look at this on the 5-hour chart. Again, we're just trying to see if this market is going to uphold all of the selling that is currently trying to enter the market right now in Algo. So here it is on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 3. Okay, here it is on the 1 hour. So yeah, you can still see even right here in this area that there's buyers still coming into the market. So it looks as if these buyers are going to attempt to try to break through this sell pocket around 18 and 19 cents. Now, it doesn't mean that's going to happen immediately. It may be a daunting process to where the market may just continue to bounce. As long as price doesn't create a dramatic movement down, then the expectation for me would be that the market in Algo is definitely trying to continue to go higher in price. All right, so let me go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get rid of this prediction that we currently have on our chart. Congratulations to you if you was able to grab 19-20% out the market on November 4th. Okay, let's get rid of that, and we're going to look for the market in Algo to try to go higher in price. understand that we know already that we are trading at a location that we would expect to see volatility, and potential is there for price to get rejected and go back down. All right. We are just predicting that it is our analysis that the price of the buyers will eventually try to erode the sellers within this pocket and then try to go up higher in price, i.e. would therefore see price break that downtrend to the upside. Okay. So now we may need to look at this on the 5-hour chart to see where these sellers could be once we break that first sell pocket around 19 cents. So we're going to create a sell pocket right here because these are going to be our targets now. Okay, we're going to try to target these areas in Algo. All right, so let's go back to the daily and let's see where our targets are at. So we're going to look for this first target here around 20.5 to 21 cents, 14.64% there. And then our next target is going to be around 21.5 to 22 cents, 18.88% there. All right, so I think that is it. I think we're done with what we expect the market to do over the next couple of weeks. As always, if you guys see anything different, let the community know by a comment on this video. Make sure you guys maintain profit, and as always, you need to trade different because that is where your edge is going to be.